In this video, we'll program a chart in PAC Control to set up the logic for a TPO PID. We've already configured the PID we'll use for the TPO PID control. Let's import a chart that's already got some empty blocks arranged for us. Go to Chart, Import. We're going to create a new chart in our strategy. Click Select and navigate to the Exported Charts folder found in your Strategies directory. Select the parking lot heater.cxf file and click Open. We've selected what we're importing from. Next, we'll need to name the chart it's going to in our strategy. Name it Parking Lot Heater and click OK. The chart's imported and notes about the chart are listed. Nothing really to see since the chart only brings in empty programming blocks. Close the Chart Import report and center the chart by typing F. Let's take a look. Block 0 is empty as per good programming practice. The next block says Get Parking Lot Heater Temp. We're going to read the temperature of the ICTD probe. Double-click the block. Click Add. We're going to move the value from the analog input, Parking Lot Heater Temp, to a new float variable named Parking Temp Reading. Click OK and create the new variable. Leave it initialized to 0 and click OK. Click OK to close out the move instruction. Click Close to finish with instructions for this block. In the next block, we'll be getting the PID output and setpoint values from the host. Double-click the block and click Add. Click Select and choose the PID Ethernet group. Select the Get PID Output command and click OK. I'm going to add a comment to remind me how this instruction works. PID output value is 0 to 100% and affects the process variable. The type is PID loop, and there's only one PID loop called PID Parking Lot Heater. We'll put the PID output in a float variable we'll call PID output var. Click OK and create the new variable. We'll leave all the defaults and click OK. Click OK to close out the instruction. Then click Add to add another instruction, again from the PID Ethernet group. This time select Get PID Setpoint. I'll add a comment that says, Read the PID setpoint from the PID. Choose the PID Parking Lot Heater for the PID, and put the setpoint in a new float variable named PID Setpoint var. Click OK and create the new variable. Keep the defaults and click OK. Click OK. Click Close to close out the block. Alright, now that we've read the PID output and setpoint, in this next block we'll be setting the TPO period and setting the TPO percent. We're going to write the PID output to the digital output point. Let's add some instructions. This time, we'll go into the digital point group and select the Set TPO Period command. The next command we're going to add requires that we use this command, so I'll add a comment to remind me of this. This command must be used before the Set TPO percent command. Choose a float variable for the period's seconds and create a new variable named PID TPO period. I've initialized mine to 3 seconds, and we'll assign it to the TPO point we configured. Click OK to finish the instruction. Add another instruction from the digital point group called Set TPO percent. I'll add a comment, PID output var is 0 to 100%. I'll set the percent to a float variable and choose PID output var. Click OK, then Close to finish the block. Our last instruction will be to add a delay. We'll add the delay millisecond command and use delay medium. Click Close to finish programming. There's one more thing we need to do, and that's to add a Start Chart command to the Power-Up chart. Bring up the Power-Up chart and open the Start Charts block. Put your cursor below the last instruction and click Add. Add the Start Chart command and choose the parking lot heater chart. Select Chart Status for the Put Status In and OK. Then close to finish the block. Save your strategy. This PID is ready to be tested in debug mode.